this is me. This is me. This is my style, okay? It's Alicia. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm the travel lover that's always trying to escape the daily grind and beat post-vacation blues. And here on this channel, I share with you behind the scenes on my travel-inspired home fragrance and decor business, as well as bits and pieces of my daily life in between vacations. So if that's something that you sound like, you know, sounds like something that you're interested in, go ahead and consider subscribing, okay? Anyway, welcome to part 3 of the video. I was like, I need to come back because I didn't want to draw out the last few. So anyway, part 3 of my fabric haul. I am continuing on. I'm going to be making some new collections of my fabric earrings that are inspired by vacation and travel, and so I want to get some bold prints and bold colors because when we're on vacation, y'all, I don't know about you, but I be feeling like my true self, okay? I just feel so relaxed. I feel so like I could just conquer everything. I'm not worrying about bills. I'm not worried about adulting and responsibilities. I'm just enjoying myself, and I wanted to incorporate that in my style and also in my home and my y'all. Ooh, is that my stomach? That's my stomach. So I want to incorporate that in my home. And I know there's other travel lovers out there that they be trying to escape the daily grind like I do, okay? And so y'all, that's my whole thing. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the fabric haul. So I left off with, so the earrings I made that I have on, these are very lightweight. Even though they're very bold, they are lightweight. These are made from Sari, silk Sari fabric. And I have a few pieces. I've already started getting into them. But I'm going to share with you. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. But anyway, it's this beautiful, so these are off of Etsy. And so this is a beautiful goldish green color. So I'll be making some more fringe earrings that will be posted on my website soon. And then I have this beautiful purplish, and then it has that like paisley type of detail, and they are so soft and smooth. So I'm trying to make some earrings so that I can have available for, I have 2 vendor pop-up shops, 2 vendor events coming up in December. So I do want to make some earrings for then. And then you have this blue florally detailed Sari fabric as well. But anyway, look at this. So these are remnants. So it's, you know, you get the raw edges and stuff, but that's okay because I trimmed them down. And these are just so beautiful. So I'm going to be making some more of these so I can have available for the event in December. This is this golden yellow. Look at this. This is just beautiful. The colors. Look, I love colors. I love bold patterns. I love it. And I can't find this at like Joann Fabrics. Like I have to go on Etsy and find this type of stuff, okay? So like when I'm like, oh my goodness, like I saw it online, I'm like, yes, that's mine. That's, put it in the cart, add to cart. So this is this red and black one, and it's so nice, y'all. I have so much. Let me go through all of them. This is like blackish white floral. These are going to be so pretty in earrings. Y'all just wait. Let me put these here. And then this pink one here. Y'all, it was a whole bundle, okay? And the prices are so good. And normally on Etsy, It depends on the seller. If they set it to where you buy up to at least $35 worth of product, you can get free shipping. And that's with most of them that I did, or pretty much all of them. So that was pretty good with the free shipping. And then this beautiful blue color. Let me know, guys, any sewers out there, have you worked with silk, sari? What items have you made? I'm not a sewer, and in the last video I had asked, let me know any good beginner sewing machines, because I thought I had a good beginner sewing machine. Look at that, y'all. That is beautiful. That pink floral. I thought I had a good one, but it kept jamming on me, so maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just user error. And then this here, look at this. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, y'all. And so this one's pretty neutral, it's low key, because you know, I know people don't like, some people might not like, you know, all these bright colors. So I'm appealing to my travel lovers out there that want something low key. And this is a pink floral. And I love mixing different prints, different colors together, because I don't want the ordinary. I want something different. And that's my whole point. I want to make things for travel lovers out there that want to have just that vacation, for a lack of a better word, vibe, because it seems like everyone uses the word vibe. That's my vibe. But there's travel lovers out there like myself that want to have those feelings that they have on vacation. They want that to travel over into their daily life. And that's my, sorry guys, that's my phone. And that was my whole thing about creating my brand, Golden Endurance Living. I wanted to create a lifestyle brand for travel lovers that incorporates them creating a getaway through scent at home. And not just through scent, but even creating a getaway, carrying that type of vacation. What do they say? Je ne sais quoi. No, je ne sais quoi. Never mind. Just that vacation feeling throughout their daily life. Okay. And then this is like a deep cobalt gray, grayish color. So it's pretty low key too. And then this one, I feel like I showed this one already, but it's blue. It has some paisley design. And so that is what that's what I want to do. So my hero product is my travel inspired candles, but I am also branching out into accessories and mainly earrings, because y'all, I don't know about you, I might not have all my, you know, my makeup stuff like my eyeliner, my brow liner, a lip, but I need to walk out the house with a pair of earrings. Okay, I must walk out the house with a pair of earrings. Like, if I don't have any makeup, I need at least a good pair of earrings. Okay. And look at this pattern. That's a beautiful pattern too. I don't know if you're like that. Let me know. Okay, you might not be a makeup girly, but if I got me a good pair of earrings, I'm good. I'm good. And I feel like earrings completes like your look. You know what I mean? It just adds that final touch to any type of outfit. All right. And y'all, I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you. And then this is this nice brown, florally detailed color. Y'all, I'm gonna have so much fun with this. The only thing I will say about this, since it's like the raw edges of the silk, it does have that fraying, so I'm gonna have to trim that and cut it, and it's getting on my new sweater. But it's okay. And of course, I love this green. Now, I'm gonna find it very hard to not keep these earrings for myself, but I want to share it with my other travelistas, okay? So this is it reminds me of like a peacock feather. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, you all have so much. You have so much. And then since this one's pretty low key, I could see pairing these two colors together and these different patterns. Y'all just wait. I'm gonna have to go live once I have like the whole collection together, because I'm like so excited. So excited. Okay. And then here's this one. So it's pretty cute. And I got this floral one with like the black border here. So these are just remnants, silk, blah blah. Sari remnants. Yeah, so that is with that. And then I had got also a while ago some Comfa fabric. Oh y'all, I'm gonna have to clean off this sweater while these sprays on here. I had got some Comfa or Kantha. It's K-A-N-T-H-A. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but it's remnants of Indian fabric. It's tripled. So there's 3 layers of fabric, and it's stitched like with these thick stitches. So there's the front, there's the back, and then if you take the stitches apart, there's different patterns. So y'all, if you don't know, my whole like style is like a bright, bold bohemian. That's what it is. Like, I love the natural, I like the rattan or the wicker, the rattan and wicker, like this. Y'all making me pull out my decor. So this, like the rattan material, and like just floral. Y'all, I got an umbrella. I'm just showing y'all everything. I had got this at a museum. Actually, no, was it at a museum? This is what I'm talking about. These are umbrellas. I got this at a, it wasn't a museum. It was a gift shop at a, wasn't a nursery, Botanical Garden. And this is what I'm talking about. Bold colors. So this is me. This is me. This is my style, okay? Bold colors and patterns and like that naturalness of, not wicker, but like rattan. And then yeah, so it's just these little things, but I have, that's what the Kantha fabric is. But y'all, girl, I got so much going on. It's crazy. It's crazy. One last thing that I want to share before I go is I also got some Japanese Boro kimono silk, and these are beautiful. These are beautiful. I'm gonna share just a few with you because I don't have much time on here, but oh my gosh, beautiful. Oh my goodness. And look at this. I love this. Just so dainty and feminine. So my whole thing is just different fabrics from different regions. Then I want to create earrings. Look at this green and the, oh, it's like a marble. It's like a marble. Oh wait, let me show you all these. Ooh, these are beautiful. You see this? You see that? Oh my gosh. Look at this. And these are just remnants from kimonos, and these are going to be turned into earrings. Okay, so I gotta see which ones I want, because I need to make a collection for myself so I can, you know, market them and sport them myself, you know. Okay. And look at this, beautiful. Okay, so those are a few. So those are the Japanese Boro kimono silk. And when I was looking online on Etsy, there's quite a few different type of Japanese kimonos. Oh my gosh, my battery! Hey y'all, so I'm filming on my phone, all right? But I want to say a proper goodbye because my daggone camera, shame on me, I should have charged it. But anyway, I want to say a proper goodbye, okay? I just didn't want to hang up on going. Y'all be like, oh, she ended like that. She didn't say goodbye. See you on the next one, or at least. But anyway, I want to say thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video. Please consider subscribing if you've seen anything that you've enjoyed or like. Let me know below if you worked with any of these type of fabrics. If you're a sewer, y'all, I give it to y'all. I give y'all credit because a girl was struggling with that sewing machine that I had a few years ago, okay? But anyway, let me know, have you worked with Sari fabric before? Have you worked with Japanese silk, kimono silk fabric? And what stuff have you made with it, or anything that you've repurposed? But anyway, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, continue living life goldenly. Bye.